In a previous video, I showed you how to combine multiple S-curves into one by simply copying the graphic and pasting it into where you want it. Now I want to show you how to generate a reference S-curve and add it in. So let's assume that this normal 3 is going to become our reference. So what we want to do is to copy this normal 3, highlight the column, bring it over here. We can leave a space if we want, and paste values and paste the formatting. Okay. And now, because this is going to be normal, going to be our reference case, I'm going to change this title in row 3, not in row. I guess you could do it up here now, but anyway, I want to change this to reference. Okay. So now this is always going to be constant. So at this point in time, we could come back and change this to, let's say, a 3. And so normal 3 now is shown down here, much lower, but we want to add our reference case. Here's a process I would suggest you try. Take any graphic that's just got a single S-curve on it and bring it over to SIPmath. And if you haven't done so, make sure you outline it this way. I think it makes it easier. And I'm going to paste that chart in. Now I'm going to move the data for this S-curve over to my reference case and the title. I'm going to move the title over. And now I can copy that, come over to my chart where I want to include it, and hit Control-V. And I now have my reference case, and I can add the legend back here. And we can see that we have our reference case. That was pretty easy. And so give it a try. Thank you for watching.